This is MTI's classroom, and it's English for kids, and today's topic is noun. Hi kids, do you have any toys? Certainly you have. Here I'm going to show you some toys, and then I'm going to ask you the names of these toys. Okay, let's see. The first one is a yellow one. The second one is red, and the third one is pink one. Okay, now you have to answer my question. What is the name of the yellow toy? Yes, it's a car. And what is the name of the red toy in the center? Yes, it's a doll. And what is the name of the pink toy? Yes, it's a ball. And all these are nouns: car, doll, ball. All these three are nouns. Why? Because they are the names of the toys. Let's see. Noun. A noun is a naming word, the name of anything, a person, place, or thing is called a noun. You have your father in your house, you have your mother in your house. Father, mother, they are nouns, okay? And you have tables, you have chair in your house, and they are also noun. And your house is the name of a place. Your house, your school, mosque, church, all these are nouns because they are the names of places. Now, what do you see around you in your house? You just look around you in your house and you will see a lot of things. Here is a picture of something you see in your house. And what is it? Yes, it's a chair. And this one, yes, it's a table. And this one, you also see this, and this one is a sofa. And the last one is an almirah. So all these things are nouns because they are the names of these things. Okay. All right, kids. What else do you see in your house? Yes, you see books. It's the picture of a book. You also see this one. It's a pen. And don't you see this? Yes, you also see this. This is a plate. And what do you do with this? Yes, you take meals on this or you eat rice on this plate. Okay, here is the picture of a glass. And this one, yes, this is the picture of a child. Yes, all these things and those around you in your house are nouns. Okay? After the class, you will look at things around you and learn their names in English. Your parents are going to help you. Okay? Now, children, imagine things outside your house. Let's start from the zoo. Who lives in the zoo? Yes, it's a majestic lion. It lives in the zoo. Here is the picture of a tiger. It also lives in the zoo. This is a panda. And here is the picture of a deer. And this one is the largest land animal, and it's called an elephant. And this one is a nice animal and it's called zebra. So students, all these are nouns because lion, tiger, panda, deer, elephant, zebra, all these are the names of the animals. Now we are going to learn the names of some fruits. Okay? Here is an image of a fruit and its name is, yes, mango. This one, guava, and this is called a jackfruit. It's our national fruit. And this one is papa, and this is an image of an apple. Apple, and this one orange, and this one is strawberry, and the last one is the picture of a banana. And all these are nouns because they are the names of fruits, okay, different fruits. Now we are going to learn the names of some vegetables. Okay, see here, what is it? Yes, it's tomato, and this is eggplant, and this one potato, and it's very common, and this one carrot, and this one okra, and what is this called? Broccoli, and this is a cucumber, and the last one is the picture of beetroot. And all these are also nouns because they are the names of different vegetables. Now we are going to learn more about nouns. You see here, this is a picture of what? You just tell me. Yes, it's a picture of a school. And this one is the moon. And this is the picture of a river. And this one, water. And this is the picture of a church. And this one is a boat. And this one, a flower. And this one, it's a picture of a teacher teaching the students. Okay, dear children, now I'm going to give you a quiz, and you have to solve this. You have 3 seconds to answer each question. Okay, I'm giving you 3 seconds to answer each question. Okay, first one, what color is it? 1, 2, 3. Yes, it's pink. Okay, what vegetable is it? Yes, it's eggplant. And what is this? Yes, it's an orange. And what color is this? Yes, it's green. And what is it in the picture? Yes, it's a fridge. People also call it refrigerator. Okay, the next one. This is a picture of something you see in your bathroom. Okay, what is its name? Bucket. And this one, yes, it's a picture of a mosque. And this one, it's a dolphin. And this one, it's a picture of a hospital, and there is an ambulance in front of the hospital. And this picture, yes, tell me. Yes, this man is a farmer. Now, how many marks out of 10 have you scored? If we have scored 10, then you are the best. If it is 7, 8 or 9, then it's okay. Okay? Whatever marks you have, never mind. You just try learning things. So far, you have learned about the nouns you can see, touch, smell, hear, and taste. Now listen and answer. Okay? What does mother see in your face when she gives you a toy? Yes, how do you feel then? Yes, joy. When your mother sees your face, uh, when your mother gives you a toy, she sees joy in your face. Okay? Your father always speaks the truth. Why? Because of his honesty, for his honesty. Okay, you quarrel with your sibling when she or he takes away your toy. Why? Because of your anger. Okay? Now we are going to have some more questions. What do you need when you have sorrow? Yes, you need your mother's love. What do you forget when you get mother's love? Yes, you forget your sorrow. So, dear children, joy, honesty, anger, love, and sorrow are also nouns, but we can neither see, touch, hear, smell, nor taste them. Okay? So, we have two kinds of nouns here. One we can uh, see, touch, hear, smell, and taste, but one we cannot. Now I'm going to offer you a quiz. You have to fill in the gaps with appropriate nouns. The first letter is given. Okay? The first letter is given. Here you see, I can see a dash on the wall. It's white, it's moving. So I can see a dash. The answer, the first letter of the answer is L. Okay? The second one, grandfather is dyeing his dash to look younger. Here, the answer, I mean to say noun, will start with the letter H. The third one, we use and dash when we go out in rain. The first letter of the answer is U. A dash teaches students at school. So the answer starts with the letter T. The old man is carrying a load on his dash. So the answer, I mean to say the noun, starts with the letter S. Dash is the 10th month of the year. So the first letter of the answer is O. A dash grows from a seed, and the first letter of this is P. The sky looks dash. The answer starts with the letter B. The boy is flying a dash, and the first letter of the answer is K. I can see a dash in the tree. Okay, and the answer, the first letter of the answer is M. And you have to write the answers first. Here you see, fill in the gaps and only then look at the next slide for answers. And you have answers in the next slide. But before you see the next slide, you have to complete the answers. Okay? Now I'm giving you the answers. Lizard, hair, umbrella, teacher, shoulder, October, plant, blue, kite, and monkey. Okay? That's all for today. Thank you very much.